If you're looking to automate payouts to your affiliates every month, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up, saving you time and ensuring your affiliates get paid on time, every time. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share how you can get an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, just for viewers of my channel. Now, automating your affiliate payouts every month can drastically reduce the manual effort and time spent on tracking payments. And I've tested all the popular software out there, so stick with me because I'll show you the best one for the job. First things first, you need the right software that handles affiliate tracking and payout automation. The software we'll be using integrates seamlessly with your affiliate program, calculates commissions, and processes payments automatically. It saves you from doing everything manually and helps maintain accuracy. Step 1. Connect your affiliate program to the software. Most software will have simple integration options, whether you're using a payment processor or an affiliate network platform. For instance, connect your PayPal, bank, or other payment accounts to the software. This ensures payments go directly to your affiliates' accounts. Once the integration is set up, step 2 is defining the commission structure. You'll set the rules of how commissions are earned and how much is paid out. For example, you can set percentage-based commissions or flat rates per sale. Make sure to align these settings with the way you want your affiliates to be compensated. Step 3, set up the payout schedule. This is where automation really kicks in. You can decide whether payouts happen weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. For monthly payouts, make sure to specify the date that payments will be processed, like the last day of every month, for example. Next, make sure the software's automated system runs in the background and checks for affiliate activity. Once a month's sales are tallied up, the software automatically processes the payouts without you lifting a finger. It makes everything seamless and keeps your affiliates happy. Step 5 is communication. Your affiliates will need to know when they'll receive their payment. With this software, you can set it up so that your affiliates receive notifications before the payment goes out. This keeps everyone in the loop and builds trust. You've seen how easy it is to automate payouts to your affiliates every month, and the software we're using really does the heavy lifting. Remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below, which you can only get by being a viewer of my channel. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out on the opportunity to try the software for yourself. Key takeaway: automating affiliate payouts every month not only saves you time, but also ensures accuracy and builds trust with your affiliates. Connect your affiliate program, define commission structures, set your payout schedule, let the software handle the rest, and communicate with your affiliates. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to claim your free trial and start automating your payouts today.